University doesn't wait for that perfect moment. It fashions its own perfect moment out of ordinary ones. Here we can see such beautiful creations of ordinary things.
I am Aishwarya FS2A. I'm going to draw the pineapple with rice. For that, we need a A4 sheet and pencil and rice and glue. Okay, let's start. First, I'm going to draw pineapple. First, draw one oval shape and draw leaves. Okay, my pineapple is ready. And our plane is blue. After applying, put rice. Then we can press. Look, my pineapple is ready. After that, we can color. Now we can color body yellow and leaf green. Okay. Yes, our leaf is ready. Now beautiful pineapples ready. Everyone, my name is Zafar Ali Mohammed. I studying in UKGB, Oxford School, Calicut. Like to present my paintings. First painting of my flowers. Blue, pink, yellow. Using earbus paintbrush. This is my second painting of Vishu flower. I made using earbuds sponge. This is my last painting of leaf imprint. I made using new ideas. I made using different leaves. I hope you like my paintings. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
My name is Rida and I am from grade 7A. For the education, the category I chose was art. In art, I opted for nature. What I did here is that I drew a scenery and shaded it. Shading is used in drawing for showing a range of darkness by using a darker shade for darker areas and lighter shade for lighter areas. Thank you.
outfits together. It's not an easy trek. What worth is it if there's no adventure? Most of the fun is in learning new things, mastering new methods, and solving new puzzles. So enjoy and have fun.
I'm Lee and I'm studying grade 5A, and today I'm going to show how to draw a square root spiral. I will tell the materials required for this activity: an A4 sheet, a geometry box and a pencil.
Bisa menggunakannya ചെയ്യുന്നു ഈ ഒരു പണിനോ ഇതൊക്കെ എത്ര എക്സിബിഷനിൽ
This is my activity. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am gonna make a multiplication table wheel. We have to draw a circle like this. Now we must cut it. Now we have to draw a small circle in the middle and 2 squares. Now we must divide this circle to 12 equal parts. I have drawn the multiplication table of 2. Now we have to cut a new shape like this. We must write with a marker 2 into and equal to for multiplication table wheel. This is a press button. We must press it like this. Now our multiplication table wheel is ready. Now let's try turning the wheel. For example, 2 times 11 equal to 22. And 5 into 2 is equal to 10. It's easy, isn't it? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Isa Satya. I'm studying in grade 4B. So today I'm going to share the multiple table wheel of 8. So you can see number 8 and the multiple sign. And here is number 1. There are lots of number around it. I'm going to turn this to 5 and show you. So you can see 8 into 5 equals 40. 8 into 6 equals 48. 8 into 7 equals 56. So this is the multiple table wheel of 8. And it can turn till 12. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hi friends, today I am going to make a fraction bird. You need scrapbook, scissors and a pencil. Now we need to cut this scrapbook paper into a circle. Now we need to cut the circle. Now we need to fold this into 2 pieces. Now we have to cut it in the center. We have to fold it again. We need to cut it. we need to fold the small piece now. We have to cut it. Do it to all the pieces. We need to cut more of these triangles in different colors. I cut many triangles as I can in different colors. We need a circle. We have to fold it. We need to cut it in half. I cut it in half. Now you need a scrapbook paper. You need gum, and now we are going to stick it. First, take this piece of paper and stick it. Now, we need to take this piece of paper we cutted. Now, we need to take the triangle which we cutted. Now, take the pencil and draw an eye. Now, I have so many triangles in different colors. Now, we are going to stick them in order. First, we need to take a triangle and only place it here. In the second row, we need 3 triangles. So, we will take yellow color and place it. Now I am taking pink color. I am going to stick it in the middle. I will take another yellow color and stick it. In the third column, I am going to stick 5 pieces. I am going to take green color. I am sticking it. I am going to take pink color. I am going to stick it under the yellow one. I am taking green color again. I am going to stick here. I am going to take pink again. and stick it. I'm going to take green and going to stick it here. In the fourth row we need 7. So I will take yellow and I'm going to stick it. I will take pink and stick it. I will take green. I'm going to stick it. Again I'm taking yellow. I'm going to stick it. I'm taking green. I'm sticking. I'm taking pink. I'm going to stick it. And last, I'm going to take green. I'm going to stick it here. I cutted some small triangles. I'm going to stick it. I sticked it. Now we have to cut a triangle. You can take any color of paper. I am taking light grey. I am going to draw a triangle. I am going to cut it. And now I am going to stick it. I am writing fraction of bird. Now I am going to write the fractions. I am writing 1 by 8. And now I am going to draw the bird's leg. And now the fraction of the bird is ready.
To highlight the role of social science in today's society and to develop our students to visualize the future of the nation and create a sensitive and responsible citizens, the Oxfordians would like to display a plethora of exhibits on social science.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Fatima Tamna and this is the model I made for my social science project. It's a model of the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and today I'm going to be telling you more about it. So this Jantar Mantar was made in between 1724 and 1730 by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. So there are 5 astronomical observatories in northern India that was constructed by this king. These are commonly known as Jantar Mantars and incorporate multiple buildings with a unique form, each specialized for astronomical measurement. The Jantar Mantar deploys all 3 ancient coordinate systems of the 5 celestial coordinate systems known. In the image above, the red, ecliptic, and the blue, equatorial coordinate systems are 2 of the 3 classical systems that feature in the monument's instruments. From all the 5 observatories, Jantar Mantar is the largest. Fun fact, the world's largest stone sundial is located here. This here is the map of Jantar Mantar in Rajasthan. The Jantar Mantar combines 19 instruments and each are specially designed for a unique function. Now I will be telling you more about the Unnatansha Yandra. The Unnatansha Yandra is a metal ring divided into 4 segments by horizontal and vertical lines with a hole in the middle. This instrument was used to determine the positions of planets and stars in the sky. Remember the sundial I mentioned earlier, the world's largest sundial? Yes, this is it. This is the Brihat Samrat Yantra, the world's largest gnomon sundial. Standing 90 feet tall and 140 feet long, it has 10 feet thick structure with face tilting at the latitude of Jaipur. Declining sun rays of this structure predict the current time of the day. Tilting at 27 degrees was done to align the hypotenuse in line with the North Pole to measure the position of the pole star. A small dome-like structure known as Chatri at the tip of this instrument would predict climate change, location of stars, eclipses, etc. Geometrically, it is made up of 2 structures, a semicircular surface and the gnomon. The gnomon is made up of 2 right-angled triangular walls in the north-south direction, with the base of the hypotenuse in the south and the apex pointing north. The Ram Yantra is made up of 2 cylindrical buildings, but here I just made a model of one with an open top along the north-south axis. The Rama Yantra uses a 1.5 meter vertical pole installed at the center of the scale surfaces. Walls are placed at regular distances of 12 and 18 degrees to let the observer walk along the scales to make the necessary observations. These complementary buildings were mainly built to facilitate the readings of the heavenly bodies. Concentric circular scales divided into degrees and minutes are engraved to facilitate the azimuthal readings in the Ram Yantra. Now I will tell you more about the Chakra Yantra. Yantra are four semicircular arcs on which a gnomon casts a shadow, thereby giving the declination of the sun at four specified times of the day. This data corresponds to noon at the four observations around the world. Now I will tell you a summary on what all I have here. The Vrihad Samrat Yantra, the world's largest gnomon sundial, and the one that helps us to find the current time of the day. The Ram Yantra, this helps us to find out the azimuth and altitude of the sun. The Unnatamsa Yantra, this one helps us find out the position of planets and stars in the sky. The Chakra Yantra helps us to find the declination of the sun. This is all I have for my social science project. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Aisha Lee of 7th. Here I did a model which shows the layers of soil and layers of air. First, surface layer. Surface layer is the largest concentration gradients of substance transported to its boundary layer. Second, topsoil. It's a surface soil which usually including the organizing layer in which plants have most of their roots. Then subsoil. It is composed of a variable mixture of small particles like sand, silt and clay. Then parent material. It is predominantly composed of consolidated rock. Last, bedrock. A deposit of solid rocks that is typically buried beneath the soil. Next, layer of atmosphere. First, troposphere, the lowest densest part of Earth's atmosphere, which most of the weather change. Second, troposphere, the second major layer of Earth's atmosphere. It's laid in temperature. The third layer of Earth's atmosphere. It extends from about 50 to 85 km in miles, 31 to 53 miles above our planet. Thermosphere. It's a part of the Earth's atmosphere that begins at 50 miles, extends to outer space and is characterized by steadily increasing temperature with height. Last but not least, exosphere, the outermost layer. This layer separates the rest of the atmosphere from outer space.
Everybody, my name is Marsiha, grade 1B. Today I am going to talk about solar system. Solar system has a giant star called the sun, and the 8 planets, they are called Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We live in the planet Earth. Solar system is the part of Milky Way galaxy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aiza Fatima. I am studying grade 1B. I would like to present my coin collections. This is my coin collections of different countries and so many coins in the book. This is a 2 books. This is a currency of different countries. like America, Singapore, China, India, Australia, Britain.
It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to our colorful art and craft gallery. You can see the tremendous and innovative works of our young and novel artists.
Hello my dear friends, my name is Aisha Rabia. I am studying in grade 1B. Today I am going to paint colorful trees. In this painting, I am not using any sketch pen or brush. I am using cardboard pieces, a chart paper, colors and my fingers to paint. Now let's start! Dip the cardboard into the paint and make the trunk of the tree. Now let's do the branches. Now we have completed the branches too. Now let's do with the leaf. Hope you all like my colorful painting. Thank you. And the topic of my art is nature. So I drew snap dragon flowers and I drew some butterflies.
crystal painting, crystal glass painting in OHP sheet, like this, OHP sheet. First you should trace a picture which you want with the glass outliner, glass painting outliner. Then when it dry, we should put dots, so many dots with Fevicryl glue. When it dry, we should color the glass colors. Look, like this, glass colors. Then the final look is like this. Look like this. The final look is like this. This also. With glass painting.
How do you make 7 an even number? Remove the S. Mathematics challenges your mind, and that is what makes it fun. There is nothing better than working on a difficult puzzle and then getting a breakthrough.
I am Aryan and Teddy in FS 1B. Start! 1. 1. 2. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Hi friends, welcome to Asian Shapes Park. This are different shapes here. Third, then square shapes, circle shape. See, this rectangle. This shape is triangle shape. And rectangle here. This video like my shapes for you. Bye bye.
Open up.
I'm Amina Zahra, studying in grade 2A, Oxford School, Calicut. I'm going to show you multiplication wheel of 4. So you can see that I have 2 wheels, one is green, one is pink. So as you can see the multiplication table of 4, multiplication wheel of 4. So 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 7 is 28. So likewise, you can make different numbers of multiplication wheel. Thank you.
I am Musnia. I am in Oxford School. I am in class 2B. So I am going to show you division and multiplication wheel. So let's see how does it work. Now I had taken the number 6. First you are going to do multiplication. 6 into 1 equal to 6. Now let's see how we will do division. 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Now let's see another one. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Now let's see the last one. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So this is division.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. But the important thing is not to stop questioning, says Albert Einstein.
I am going to make a model of solar system. And I have some balls and a ring for Saturn and some colors and some sticks and a stand. Let me begin. Now it's ready. The solar system is like a big family of sun. There are 8 family members: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Every planet has their own special qualities. Mercury is hot and dusty planet. Venus is hot and rocky planet. And third comes our Earth. You could see green and blue color. The plants and the water. The Earth only life exists. And Mars, hilly and dusty planet. And comes Jupiter. Jupiter is the big planet in the solar system. And comes Saturn. Saturn is the ringy planet. The ring is made of rock, ice and dust. And comes Uranus. Uranus is very cold. And comes Neptune. Neptune is so far from the sun, so it is very cold. And solar system is in Milky Way galaxy.
There are many galaxies in our universe. Thank you.
My dear teachers and friends, a very happy day. My name is Anisha and I am studying in class 6. Here I have prepared a working model of the rainwater storage uh, of a rain from a roof type surface to a tank or in a deep pit or in a reservoir for later uses. So now I'll show you how the system works in a small demo version. So starting from the collection tank. Here's the rainwater. It goes through the conveyance system to the filtration tank. After the filtration, it goes to the tank which we use, which is ready to use. The scarcity of good quality water is one of the biggest issues present in the world now. So the rainwater harvesting system is one of the best solutions for the problem. That's all I had to share about the rainwater harvesting system. Hope this session was informative for you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aishada. I study in Osborne School grade 1. I love stamp collection. This is my stamp collection. Thank you. Hello friends. Today I am going to make a galaxy. Galaxy is my favorite place. I wish I can go in there. Planet America. Today I am going to make the coldest planet ever, Mercury.
According to Wikipedia, the tiger is the largest extant cat species and a member.
That is close. Sunday we will go to Mars. Monday we will go to Mars. Next Venus. Where will you see the Now I'm going to make Saturn. Now I'm going to make Uranus. Now I'm going to make Neptune. Neptune is farthest and eighth planet. This is my galaxy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Deepa. A painting is just another way of keeping a diary. A painting has lots to say. Let's see what the next painting has to say.
Hi friends, I am Dhyan. I am studying in grade 2B. Today I am doing art with crayons. That we made crayons, white carbon, picture of black lady and hair dye. Friends, I completed my work. Thank you.
I'm Zia Mariam from grade 6A. Today I'm going to paint a sunset with mountains in canvas with Faber-Castell paint. So let's start.
everyone. I am drawing sunrise.
കളർ ചെയ്യച്ചു.
കളർ ചെയ്ത് കളിച്ചു. അത് കളർ ചെയ്യിച്ചു.
വീഡിയോ കുറേ ലെങ്ത് ആവും.
കളർ ചെയ്ത്
മോളിപ്പോൾ ചെയ്തത് വേഗം കളറേ. ഇങ്ങോട്ടാ
നീ കൊടുത്താൽ എനിക്കറിയുന്നല്ലേ കളർ കൊടുത്താൽ
brown.
വേഗം അതന്നെ ഞാൻ നോക്കുന്നത്.
Hello, my name is Ritvi Chaudhary. I study in grade 2A. I am going to make the poster on awareness for COVID-19.
Logical. Most of higher mathematics is based on just a few established ideas, that is, theorems and axioms, and the rest is created purely by logical thinking.
Hi friends! Now that we have learned the numbers, our numeracy ma'am will be next teaching us addition. Addition is when you add objects to a group and count how many there are altogether. Suppose I have 5 apples and my mama gave me 3 apples more. So how many apples do I have in total? Let me explain this with the help of my Excel. So in the first hand you take 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the second hand you take 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Let's add. 1, 2, 3, 4. This board can help my teacher to teach basic addition after 10. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Duani Shah and my class is 1A. Today I'm going to be drawing an incy-wincy spider, and the question is, what makes it with incy-wincy spider? So now let's start drawing it. So now I'm done drawing the incy-wincy spider. So now let's just discuss about 8, how to make 8. So now let's start. A plus 0 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. And 0 plus 8 equals 8. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Aisha of grade 1B. Today I'm going to show you a very useful tool. It is a sum finder. A sum finder will help you to find sum of two numbers. This is a sum finder. Just slide it and you can find sum of any number. If your teacher asks you what is 3 plus 2, just move it a little bit, and 3 and 2 must be in a line, and you will get the answer here, and it is 5. You can see 4 plus 1 is also equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is also equal to 5. 0 plus 5 is also equal to 5. Now let's see what is 5 plus 3. Just move it a little bit and you will get the answer as 8. I will show you how to make a sum finder. First, you need 2 long papers and 2 short papers. Now you have to glue the pieces like this. Now we have to write numbers on it. In this strip, it's 0 to 9, and the other strip is 1 to 10. We have to write the numbers in equal distance, otherwise it won't work. Now we have to join the papers like this, and it's ready. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Fatima Noran. Today I am going to show multiplication table of 7. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63, 10 sevens are, and you.
History helps us to know about our past and prepare for the future.
me tell you what is dripping irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that is purportedly to save water and nutrition, that allows water to drip slowly to the roots of the plants, either from the down of the soil and above the soil. The goal is to place the water directly to the root zone and minimize evaporation. Drip irrigation distributes its water by the transport network of valleys, pipes, and tubes. Depending on how well designed, installed, and maintained and operated is a drip irrigation system. It can be more effectively by another type of irrigation, such as surface irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. Let's see how it works.
From grade 6, and I am here to present to you a model of the Great Bath of the Indus Valley civilization. You may all have seen a swimming pool in your life and may have swam in one. But imagine a swimming pool that was built 4,700 years ago. That is essentially what the Great Bath is. The Great Bath is one of the most well-known structures of the ruins of the Indus Valley civilization. It is an impressive structure built in Mohenjo-daro and was discovered in 1926. The Great Bath is a special tank that has the features resembling a modern-day swimming pool. It is lined with bricks and has a depth of 2.4 meters. The floor of the tank was made watertight by using finely fitted bricks and a layer of plaster. The bricks were so well baked that they had lasted for thousands of years. To make the tank even more watertight, a thick layer of waterproof tar was laid along the sides of the pool and on the floor. There are steps leading down to it from two sides. A hole is found at one end of the bath, which was used to drain the water. Water was probably brought in from a well and drained out after use. Rainwater also may have been used for this purpose. A series of rooms were located on one side, and in one room there was a well that may have supplied some of the water needed to fill the tank. It is assumed that important people took a dip in this tank on special occasions. Hope you found this interesting. Thank you.
Hi, myself Faiza Sathya. Art is a line around our thoughts. There's no must in art because art is free. Free yourself and enjoy.
Greetings. My name is Reha Afzal and I study in the Oxford School, Calicut, and currently is in grade 5, Division A. Today I am going to be sharing with you my project made for the Eduvision 2020-21. Right now I am drawing a scenery. For this I am using a fine liner and some crayons. In my scenery I will be combining both Zen art for the land and bright crayons. I will also add some shadows for the mountains and clouds. The 6 main subjects of my artwork are 1. Bushes, 2. Clouds, 3. Mountains, 4. Hills, 5. The sun, and 6. Of course, the sky. Right now, I am drawing the shadows, as mentioned earlier. I hope you enjoyed my project as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shenza from grade 5. I have taken the subject art and my topic is doodle art about encouragement. This is the first drawing. It says tough cookie. That means we should always be strong. The next one is yes, you can. This is the third one. I believe in you. Another one. We are rooting for you. That means we are supporting you. Then the other one is magnificent job. That tells magnificent job. Thank you.
or to me? Numbers that aren't divisible by 2. Welcome to the ocean of numbers. You won't need special equipment, millions of dollars, or lots of people. You just need your mind. Mathematics is pure. It does not rust, nor does it decay. It just needs your thought to make it work. Mathematics goes beyond the real world. Yet, the real world seems to be ruled by it.
Hi friends, I am Amina Farha. I am in grade 1B. This is a multiplication table. It helps us to multiplication. Let's see how. What is 2 multiplied by 4? First, find the number 2 in the first column. Next, find the number 4 in the first row. Move the column and cross the row, meaning that the answer 8. So friends, 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Let's try another. What is 5 multiplied by 7? First, find the number 5 in the first column. Next, find the number 7 in the first row. Move the column and cross the row, meaning that the answer 35. So friends, 5 multiplied by 7 equals to 35. A multiplication table can help us solve any multiplication equations. Did you know it can also help us solve division equations? Let's see how. What is 12 divided by 2? First, find the second number from the equation 2 in the first column. Then move across to the row to the first number in the equation 12. From 12 up the column to the top, number 6. Meaning that the answer 6. So friends, 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Let's try another. What is 35 divided by 5? First, find the second number from the equation 5 in the first column. Then move across to the row to the first number in the equation 35. From 35 up the column to the top, number 7. Meaning that the answer 7. So friends, 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Haizal Samir. For Maths exhibition, I would like to show addition and subtraction learning machine. I made this thing with cardboard and color paper. I will show you how this works. For example, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Another example, 8 minus 3 equals 5. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Isha Firoz. I'm in grade 2B in Oxford School, Calicut. Today I'm going to show you an addition apple tree. So it's like a game, but you have to put one number up top and then add it with the number here. Then get an answer from here. You
put the answer here, like 2 plus 4. So you start from 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 6. And like 2 plus 5. So you start from 2 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 7. So like 3 plus 4. So we'll start from 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 7. And 5 plus 4 is, start from 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 9. So here's another one, which is 5. Good morning everybody, I am Hiranmay of grade 2B. Today I am showing some addition and subtraction facts. Let's take this one. Okay, we are dealing with 5, 6, 11. These numbers we are taking now. Okay, let's move to addition. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Here it is. Now 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Here you can see here. Okay, now let's move to subtraction. Okay, now 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Here it is. Okay, now 11 minus 6 equal to 5. Here it is. Let's check another one. Okay, 3, 7, 10. These numbers we are taking now. Let's move to addition. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Let's see here. Now 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Here it is. Okay, now let's move to subtraction. 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Here it is. Okay, now 10 minus 3 equal to 7. See here. Let's check another one. Okay, 5, 3, 8. These numbers we are taking now. Okay, let's move to addition. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, here it is. Okay, now 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Here it is. Okay, now let's move to subtraction. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. You can see here. Okay, now 8 minus 3 equal to 5. You can see it here. Thank you.
Indeed, that was really wonderful. Here we have another secret. Without much delay, let's unfold that mystery. Hope you all had a great time. Goodbye, and let's continue to be responsible citizens.
Good morning to one and all. I am Ahil Aslam of 7th A, and today I'm going to speak a few words about human settlements. Settlements are places where people build their homes. Now let us learn the types of settlements. Settlements are of two types, temporary and permanent settlements. Now let me talk about temporary settlements. Here are some examples for temporary settlements. Most of the temporary settlements are found in rural areas like these. Houses in villages like these are made with mud and roofs are made with coconut leaves. These houses are not very strong and need to be repaired often. Temporary settlements are mainly found in deep forested areas and hot and cold deserted areas. One of the main occupations in rural areas are agriculture, and animal breeding is also practiced. Another example for temporary settlements are still houses. These are mainly found in places having heavy rainfall like Assam where water accumulates. These houses are made with wood and slanting roofs. Igloos are another example of temporary settlements. It's made of ice and mainly found in countries with very cold temperature like Antarctica and Arctic. The main occupation here is fishing as agriculture is not suitable. Now let us learn about permanent settlements. This is the most common settlement found in today's world. Settlements which are occupied for a long period of time is called a permanent settlement. Such settlements are made of long-lasting materials like bricks, aluminium, cement, etc. Settlements are again divided into urban and rural settlements. Urban settlements are found in cities or towns. The main occupation over here are manufacturing, services, etc. In today's world, most of the people live in urban areas. As you can see, these villages are rural settlements. This is again divided into compact and scattered settlements. These three houses are close. That means this is a compact settlement. The stilt house and igloo are scattered settlement as they are far apart. So friends, I think you guys got an idea on what is human settlement, and thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So have a nice day.
Hi, I'm Amin from grade 7A, and today I will be showing you the working model of the seismograph in the social science exhibition. This is the model, and I will be showing how this model works. There are two bands of rubber bands, one that's from here and here, one from here to here, and then you put a marker, a pencil, or a pen in the middle, and a paper in the box. And you also make a tiny hole to pull out the paper. As you can see, when there's a small earthquake, when the earthquake is small, only a tiny bit will come out. So, when the earthquake is medium, it comes out like that. Finally, when the earthquake is really, really strong, that's how it comes out. So this is the reading. As you can see, this is how scientists calculate the strength of the earthquakes. Thank you.
So this is the smoke absorber. It absorbs smoke. When we turn on the switch, the fan turn on and it is working by a battery. And the good air goes out through this. And that's it.
Hi, I'm some creative craft ideas of our young minds.
Hi, I am Rosanna Fatima of grade 1A. Today I am going to paint.
Hi everyone, my name is Shanzana Jamel. I am studying in FS2C. I am making a boat. Let's begin. First we need a paper and scissors. First we will fold a triangle one side into this way. And you will cut this rectangle out. Then we will that triangle into a square shape, and we will take this fold in this way, and we will make this way, and we will fold this way, and we will fold into this way, and we will fold this way, and we will take this and push, and we will take this and push. You want to be clear? Then you will make this way and this way, and fold it this way and make it this way again. Then you got an boat. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nada and I am studying in grade 8. And today I will be presenting to you my painting. For this painting, I begin with using some lemon yellow and yellow ochre and spreading it across here. Then mixing some crimson red with white, I drew this line here. Then I blended it together to create the orange in between. Then I used some cobalt blue and ultramarine blue to paint these two sides. After that, using that same yellow and same red, I painted it here. Then, using some Prussian blue, I painted the river. After that, I used some black and red paint to create these mountains. After painting the mountains on, I used a ruler with white paint on it and smeared it so that it gave the highlights of the mountain. I did the same thing with cobalt blue and smeared it across the mountain so that it looked like it had highlights on it. Then, using crimson red and lamp black, I painted on these trees. I used a flat brush with crisscross movement to create these long trees. Then, down below, I used some verdian green mixed with sap green to create this bush. Then, I used a darker shade of sap green mixed with black to put it down the original bush and then pulled it down so that it looked like it was reflecting on the water. After that, I again used the hooker's green mixed with sap green to create these bushes. After that, I used some black mixed with sap green to create these darker bush here. After that, my painting was ready. Here's the time lapse of me painting. Like I said, I begin with the sky using the yellow and the red. After that, I used the blue and then I blended it all together. After that, I was moving on to the mountains. For the mountains, I first used crimson red and lamp black to create the original shape of the mountain, and then using a ruler with white paint on it, I smeared it on the mountains so it looked like the mountains had snow over them. After that, I used cobalt blue and smeared it across using a ruler to give the mountain some highlights. After that, using a flat brush, using crimson red and lamp black, I started drawing the trees, and then using a darker shade of crimson, I painted it down of the trees and pulled it down so it looked like the reflection was on the river. Then using verdian green and sap green, I created these bushes. Then I pulled down the bushes so it looked like there was a reflection. And then I mixed some yellow with the green so it looked like the bushes had highlight. Then using dark green, I drew the last bush. And here is my final complete painting. I hope you like it.
I had an argument with a 90-degree angle. It turns out it was right. Mathematics is composed of symbols. It rises above the words. Musical notes force one to twist their belly. These mathematical symbols force one to twist their brain.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatima Aiza of grade 3A. Today I am going to present the length of few objects. So this is my scale I created by myself. Now I am going to measure this car. So the length of this car is 7 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this pen. The length of this pen is 13 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this glue stick. So the length of this glue stick is 7 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this little fork. So the length of this little fork is 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this little fork. So the length of this little fork is 9 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this little fork. So the length of this little fork is 9 centimeters. Now I am going to measure this little fork. So the length of this little fork is 9 centimeters. Now I am going to measure
this sharpener. So the length of the sharpener is 2 centimeters. Now I'm going to measure this spoon. So the length of the spoon is 15 centimeters. Now I'm going to measure this book. So the length of this book is 15 centimeters. Now I'm going to do hand span of this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the hand span of this table is 40. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Hera of class 3B. I would like to talk about multiplication. Do you all know what multiplication means? Multiplication is also called repeated addition. Multiplication is one of the 4 mathematical operations. The number that we multiply is called multiplicand. The number by which it is multiplied is called multiplier. The result of multiplication is called product. If we multiply 0 to another number, the product will be 0 itself. If we multiply 1 to another number, the product will be the number itself. The symbol of multiplication is cross mark. Now let me show you multiplication learning machine. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 1 multiplied by 9 equals 9. Thank you everyone.
Hi all, my name is Nehan. I'm studying 4th grade. Today I am going to show you a math model. That is how to learn LCM and HCF in an easy way. With the help of this, we can easily find out the LCM and HCF. Let me explain. Here we are going to find out the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Now I am taking some glass balls and put the glass balls to those numbers who are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, etc. It's endless. Now the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Endless. Now the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Endless. Now we will check which cup holds more balls. In 12 there are 3 balls. And in 24 also there are 3 balls. So the common multiples are 12 and 24. As you all know that LCM is lowest common multiple. In this numbers, the 12 is the lowest. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. Now let's check the working model of HCF. Here I am going to find out the HCF of 12 and 24. For that we have to check the factors of 12 and 24. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay, let's check which cup holds more balls. In 1 there are 2 balls, and in 2 there are 2 balls, 3, 4, 6 and 12 there are 2 balls. As we all know that HCF is highest common factor. Between these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, 12 is the highest number. So the HCF of 12 and 24 is 12. I hope you like my project. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am Tarnika in grade 4A from the Oxford School. Now I am going to explain you about my project. My working model is HCF and LCM. First, now I will explain you about LCM. So my question is, find the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. Now I have some balls. So first we can find the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. So next we can find the multiples of 3. First 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So now we can find the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, next 20, then 24, then 28. So now we should check which cup has more balls. So now I have 12 and 24. So we have more balls in 12 and 24. We should find the least common multiple. So that is 12. So the LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. So now next I will explain you about HCF. So my question is, find the HCF of 4 and 6. So first we should find the divisor of 4, that is 1, 2 and 4. So next we should find the divisor of 6, that is 1, 2, 3 and then 6. So now we should check which cup has more balls, that is 2 and 1. So in this we should check which is the highest common factor, because it is HCF. In HCF we should find the highest common factor, so that is 2. So the HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. So this is my product of HCF and LCM. By using this we can find HCF and LCM of any given number. So my working model is about factor 3. So first I will explain you about factor 3 of 8. The factor of 8 is 4 by 2. Then the factor of 4 is 2 into 2. That's all. So now I will explain you about factor 3 of 6. So, factor of 6 is 3 into 2.
Hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you for being with us. Adios!
Hi, I am Danish Mohammed. I am going to make paper flowers. For that, we required color papers and gum.
Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark do 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 do, Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark do 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 do, Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark do 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 do, Grandpa shark.
Hi friends, my name is Ayash. I am in first grade. I am going to make autumn. For that we need gum, pencil shape and sketch. Now fix right here. Now our autumn tree is finished. Hope you will like it. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Aisha Zara from grade 1A Oxford School Charity. Today I am going to make the Santa Claus. For that we need 3 papers, glue, scissors. So let's start. First we cut everything.
Hello, my dear friends. My name is Aisha Rabia. I am studying in grade 1B at Oxford School, Calicut. Today I am going to make a bird with a coconut shell. But Angry Bird is my favorite toy. I will show you how to make it. For this we need coconut shell, coconut husk, brush, paint, glue, sketch pen and a scissor, a small red paper and a white paper. Now let's get started. First we have to color the coconut shell. Now let it dry. Meanwhile, we can make the eyes, beak, feathers and legs. Now we can paste the eyes, feathers and legs. I'm going to paste this here. Now my little bird is ready. Hope you like my Angry Bird. Thank you.
Thank you for being with us this evening. There is more to witness on this platform. See you tomorrow, same time, on our Eduvision channel. In the sphere and the place that counts. Keep watching.